I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your base film and paper now. Lay out washi, clear adhesive film, a cutting mat, and a precision blade so everything is within reach. Once ready, align your cloud stencil or printed template on the lightbox or printer sheet and set opacity to about 0. 5 mm for soft edges. Make a quick scrap test of the adhesive for 10-30 second tack time so you know the tape will be repositionable but hold. Cut one test strip to confirm feel. You now produce the cloud artwork and attach it to the adhesive. Start by arranging stencil layers in order. Background, mid-cloud, then highlights, scaling elements between 10 and 30% for depth. Print or ink each layer with translucent inks or dilute to 30-60% density so layers blend when stacked. Once dry, laminate the printed washi to the clear adhesive film and smooth out bubbles. Trim around the art with a 1-2 mm margin. Then do the final contour, cut for neat edges and consistent rolls. You finish by rolling and testing the tape so it performs reliably. Roll the trimmed strips onto a core and test unwind with a 90 degrees pull to check for consistent release. Adjust adhesive if it sticks or lifts. Seal edges lightly with clear varnish for durability and let cure 12-24 hours. If you see ghosting or blurred clouds, reduce ink density or increase lamination pressure so layers align. One troubleshooting tip: if tack is too high, air the adhesive for 10 minutes before rolling to normalize release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.